Come on,
Get you on.
Yeah,
yes.
Let's get you on. Come on,
then.
everybody would love to see him.
Come on.
And you, obviously, and you. Second, of course.
Mainly him.
Mainly him.
Can you be a dog?
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Now, introduce the two of you, please.
Okay, sit. I know, not yet, not yet. We say that for in a minute, right. Okay, I'm Aaron, and what's your name? Yeah, good boy.
Oh, my God, he can speak.
That's Buddy. He's saying his buddy.
I got that.
Yeah. Not yet. You're ruining the surprise.
Tell me why you're both here.
Down. Basically, me and Buddy have developed a real bond, and he is now my best friend.
He's gorgeous.
After my wife, might I add. And I was playing the guitar when he was about 12 weeks old, and he just started what he's about to do.
Sing?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
You've been waiting
This is his dream.
Pretty serious.
Sing.
Sing.
The dog is going to sing.
Sing?
Amazing.
We've kind of developed it over the months, and he likes to sing to songs.
I am so excited. This could be history in the making here.
Well, let's hope so.
I cannot wait for this.
Are you going to come under? Come under. Under. Sit. Right, are you ready? We're going to sing. Wait. 1, 2, 3.
He's singing.
Amanda.
Do you know what? I absolutely love that because he was very animated. I could see he was trying to really enunciate the words. So it was very clear. For a minute, I didn't realise that was a mic, and I thought maybe it was like a dog translator because you can buy those.
Oh, really?
Yes, so I'm thinking that could really enhance this act.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
He definitely needs one of them.
Yes.
David.
Well, I think singing is a big word, isn't it? I mean, it made some noises as you played the guitar. I couldn't make out the individual lyrics. But, you know, the two of you are adorable. The connection between the two of you is adorable. So, thank you so much for bringing Buddy along today. We've all fallen in love with him.
I actually thought the dog was going to sing in English. I mean, I really, really did. I thought this is going to be a first, but he actually just barked the whole way through the song. So I'm really disappointed.
Why the translator?
If we gave him a translator, would it be the actual words of the song?
It might not be the words of the song,
Probably.
but he would definitely translate what he was saying.
Well, can we get him one?
Well, why don't we put him through to the next round and then do it then?
Simon.
It's like, how do we say no to that
We can't
little
say no.
face?
Let's take a vote. I'm going to kick it off with a big, fat, four-legged yes.
Okay. Alicia?
I mean, yeah, I was honestly just about to say no, but I looked into Buddy's eyes and I just fell in love, so I'm saying yes.
David?
You got me on hello. I'm going to say yes.
Well, look, based on the fact if this translator exists, which means that when he barks, he's actually singing, I have to say yes.
Also, he could give Dec a ride home tonight on his back. Be nice for him.
Thank you.
Translators. But they're from Japan, I think.
Well, we've
you
got to
can buy
get
them
one.
for cats as well. My cat talks quite a lot.